At the Furniture Portal, we connect furniture retailers, architects, and designers with Romania's top furniture manufacturers in a streamlined and cost-effective way. Skip the expense and time commitment of attending furniture fairs. Open your browser and go to furniture-portal.com. Click on Start for free and select Join our network as a buyer. On your profile, start with your name, contact details, and VAT number. Ensure the VAT number is entered correctly, as this will import your company information in the next step. Double-check your legal entity, fill in your company or shop name, and click Next Step. In the next two steps, fill in the basic company details as requested. As the last step, select the approximate position of your company on the map. If you have multiple locations, point at the company headquarters. Once your registration is complete, you will receive an email with a link to set up your password. Now that your profile is set up, let's go through some essential steps. After logging in, go to the buyer profile and click Edit. Write a short description of your company and select what you are interested in. This greatly helps in matching you up with the appropriate manufacturers. As a free plan user, you won't be able to contact manufacturers or add project or product requests. For that, you need to choose a higher tier plan from the subscriptions page. You can save by purchasing an annual subscription, allowing you to upload a total of 60 projects throughout the year without the monthly limit. If you have any questions regarding these plans, feel free to contact us. After selecting the subscription that best suits your needs, you can begin taking full advantage of the portal's features. To add a project or product request, go to the Projects page and click Add Project. In giving the details of the project, please be as detailed and specific as you can. This helps avoid any misunderstandings with the project applicants. Upload any images, technical drawings, or CAD files you may consider useful. Please ensure that these files don't have any of your company's details. You don't have to do it all in one shot. You can save a draft and finish it later. When you're finished, you can submit your project for review, which usually takes no more than a couple of hours. After you receive the email about your project going live, you only need to lay back and scroll through the offers you receive. On the manufacturers page, you can find our ever-growing database of manufacturers. To narrow down your search and find the company for your specific needs, you can use the built-in filters. We recommend using filters to conserve your profile view allowance on manufacturers that fit your criteria. Thank you for choosing the Furniture Portal, and we wish you great success and outstanding achievements.